Let's walk through setting up sales tax in QuickBooks Online for the first time ever. This is the automatic sales tax functionality. We're going to go over to taxes, sales tax, and use automatic sales tax. That's what we want to do. It's going to make sure that I have the right business address at which I want to calculate sales tax. I do. So now it's going to ask me about my sales tax agency. So I'm in New Jersey, so I'm registered with New Jersey Division of Taxation. I file on a monthly basis. This is if you've just gotten your sales tax permit, they're going to tell you how often you file. So I'm in New Jersey. Let's set up New Jersey. Do I need to collect sales tax anywhere else? Yes, I do. Maybe you don't. But let's say I do. Now it's going to ask me what additional agencies do I need to set up. So let's set up New York monthly. And then I'm going to add another agency and show you what it might look like if you have local taxes. So Alabama, for example, you have some self-administered locals here that you would need to set up separately. So along with the state, you would then also set up these locals. So if I set up Alabama, and then it says add another agency, I could set up Alabaster. So I would set that all up in here. I'm going to delete these because I don't want these set up right now, but I'll keep New York. So now it's showing me, okay, these are the tax agencies that I've got set up where I need to collect sales tax. So it's going to calculate sales tax for transactions in these states on my invoices, sales receipts. So let's set it up. Looks like it's all set up. So let's take a look. So right now I'm going to be brought to the sales tax center. So this is the end all be all for everything sales tax. It's going to show me my different agencies that I've set up. Once I start sending out invoices and collecting sales tax, it's going to show the sales tax in here. It's also going to give me an idea of when my tax returns are due. So here in New Jersey, monthly is what set it up as. So then you can see that the due date is going to be on the 20th. So this will show me everything sales tax. I can generate some reports in here if I want to. I can look at just one agency if I want to. I can look at my sales tax liability report from the sales tax center. Again, I have just set this up. I don't have any invoices in here. This is a fresh and new QBO account. So if I go back to the sales tax center, there's a few other things I can do here. I have other different reports I can click right into. I can go into my sales tax settings. So if I need to add another agency here, this is where I can do it. Can add an agency, put down the information I need to. If I need to edit New York, let's say that I was supposed to be set up as quarterly. I made a mistake. I can save that and I can update that there. I can also, if I want to, look at any inactive things, inactive agencies, maybe that I had set up and I don't know, made some sort of mistake or for some reason made inactive. I can add a custom rate. So if I want to add maybe a special rate for catering in my state, I could do that here, could add a combined rate. And then that will be available for me to use in my invoices and my sales receipts. So I'm going to go back over to the sales tax center and show you one more thing that is actually pretty cool. And that's this economic nexus tracker. So again, don't have any invoices that I've generated yet, but what happens when you start generating invoices, and I'll do another video about this, is you get to see your sales transactions here in the sense of like, I'll be able to see how much in sales I have into a particular state, especially important, when I'm selling online to see if I've established economic nexus. And QBO is actually going to help me keep track of that. So it's going to keep track of it here, but it's also going to send me an email letting me know when I'm getting close to the threshold in a given state. It will know the state laws. It will know what the requirements are, right? Some states are in the past 12-month period. Some states are in the past, the year prior. And when the requirement is going to kick in for me to have to register in one of these states and start collecting sales tax there. So that's a pretty neat feature that I think sometimes gets overlooked because it's a button up here in this right-hand corner. But those are a few things that you can do here in the Sales Tax Center once you've set things up. Again, I'm going to make a few more videos about creating an invoice, looking at our sales tax liability report, what to do when we have a return in here, when we want to view it and mark it as paid or make any adjustments that we might need to make to it. You do also have that capability, so we'll walk through that and show you that in a future video. I hope this video was helpful today. If you did enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more videos similar to this and on other sales tax subjects in the future. Thanks.